This is the luxury world. Get inspired with us today and tomorrow. This is the topic that the watch community is always talking about. How can one successfully acquire a Rolex from an authorized dealer? In today's video brought to you by the luxury world, we will provide 9 tips to help you increase your chances of obtaining a Rolex from an authorized dealer. Rest assured, these tips apply to anyone who genuinely desires a Rolex and follows the advice diligently. We will unveil insider secrets on how to enhance your chances of obtaining that highly coveted Rolex allocation. We will provide valuable information and effective tips. By the end of this video, you should gain a better understanding of how to surpass the competition and acquire your desired Rolex from an authorized dealer at the original retail price. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, we highly recommend doing so now to stay informed about our future video releases. Tip 1. Conduct thorough research. If you are eager to finally own that dream Rolex watch, there are key factors to consider before heading to an authorized dealer. Researching beforehand is crucial. You should familiarize yourself with the available Rolex models, their features, and their market value. This knowledge will assist you in making an informed decision and selecting the perfect watch for yourself. Dedicate some time to browse online forums, reading reviews, and watching informative videos to gain a comprehensive understanding of each model's offerings. When you do visit the dealer, it is vital to be well prepared. Going in without a clear idea of what you want may raise concerns with the salesperson, who may suspect you are simply looking to flip the watch for a quick profit. If it is your first time purchasing a Rolex from an authorized dealer, it is advisable to focus on classic models such as the Oyster Perpetual, or regular sports models like the Submariner, Yachtmaster, or even the Sky Dweller if you are feeling adventurous. You can also consider trying your luck with the GMT, but bear in mind that obtaining it may require more fortune and be more challenging. Tip 2. Events and network. Expanding your network is crucial to enhance your chances of acquiring that desired Rolex watch. One effective way to achieve this is by attending watch events. These events can include trade shows, collector meetups, and sponsored gatherings hosted by authorized dealers or various watch brands. Attending such events provides an excellent opportunity to not only deepen your knowledge about watches but also connect with fellow enthusiasts and industry professionals. At these events, you can share your passion for watches with like-minded individuals and potentially gain access to exclusive offers and insider information. For instance, you may learn about the arrival of specific watch models or upcoming shipments. By expanding your network, you may also increase the likelihood of finding your desired Rolex through referrals. Therefore, it is important to keep an eye out to watch events in your local area or even consider traveling to larger events. Do not hesitate to strike up conversations and express your love for Rolex watches and horology in general. Authorized dealers often host exclusive events and provide opportunities for customers to engage with the brand. These events may include watch launches, special exhibitions, or even invitations to Rolex-sponsored events. Additionally, authorized dealers may offer exclusive promotions, discounts, or trade-in programs for their customers. Tip 3. Creating a relationship. Developing a strong relationship with your authorized dealer is a significant factor in increasing your chances of obtaining your desired Rolex. Regularly visiting the store, engaging in conversations with the staff, and displaying genuine interest in Rolex watches are key steps in building this connection. By doing so, you establish a rapport with the authorized dealer, which can lead to being offered the watch you desire when it becomes available. To cultivate this relationship, there are several actions you can take. Share your watch collection, highlighting what sets you apart from others and discussing your favorite models. Seek expert opinions and involve the staff in conversations to deepen your knowledge of Rolex watches and highlight your passion for the brand. It is beneficial to obtain the salesperson's business card during your visit. In the following months, aim to visit the store at least 2 to 3 times per month. During these visits, focus on trying on watches from other brands and engaging in conversations with your sales associate. It is advisable to schedule an appointment to ensure that your salesperson is available and not occupied with other customers. It is important to note that authorized dealers often prioritize local customers, so by consistently showing up, you increase your chances of receiving that sought-after call for an available Rolex allocation. Tip 4. Ignite your passion for horology. Authorized dealers are keen to avoid flippers and prioritize customers who genuinely appreciate Rolex watches. Sharing your watch collection and passion for watches with the authorized dealer can demonstrate your sincere interest and dedication. Even if you do not currently own a Rolex, displaying your existing collection can increase your chances of being offered your desired watch when it becomes available. Dealers value loyal and enthusiastic customers, and they genuinely seek to earn your business. It is important to remember that Rolex does not own any stores worldwide. If you can convey to them that acquiring a Rolex will lead to your loyalty and future patronage, they will highly consider your request. Authorized dealers also carry other watch brands that may not generate as much attention, but jewelry sales are their primary focus. Discuss the history and craftsmanship behind each piece you own, and express your enthusiasm for adding another Rolex to your esteemed collection. Tip 5. Seeking alternatives. It can be challenging when you have your heart set on a specific Rolex model, especially if authorized dealers have limited stock or long waiting lists for popular models like the GMT. However, it is important to remember that there are numerous and other remarkable Rolex watches available that you might find equally captivating. That is why we encourage you to remain open-minded and consider alternative options. Be receptive to varied sizes, models, materials, or color combinations. Additionally, once you have built a strong relationship with your dealer, the salesperson may reach out to you with alternative options. If you can afford and genuinely appreciate the offered watch, we encourage you to go ahead and make the purchase. This demonstrates your commitment to the brand and builds credibility, potentially opening doors to more desirable and rare watches in the future. Tip 6. Familiarize the policies. It is crucial to recognize that each authorized dealer may have different policies regarding waitlists, deposits, and purchase requirements. To prevent any misunderstandings, it is important to familiarize yourself with these policies and adhere to them accordingly. This approach will help you maintain a positive relationship with the dealer and increase your chances of acquiring your desired Rolex. Do not hesitate to ask questions and seek clarification. Inquire about the waitlist process, deposit requirements, and any additional steps you may need to take to secure the watch you are pursuing. By doing so, you will gain a clear understanding of what is expected of you and how you can collaborate with the dealer to obtain the Rolex you desire. Tip 7. Dress to impress. When it comes to purchasing luxury watches, making a positive first impression is crucial. While it is not ideal to judge people solely based on their appearance, it is a well-known fact that others will form an opinion about you based on how you present yourself, particularly in high-end stores. To ensure that you leave a lasting impression, it is the best option to wear attire that reflects a polished and organized look. Opt for business or casual attire, and if you typically wear a suit to work, it is better. Looking fashionable and put together can have a significant impact on how you are perceived when shopping for luxury watches, and this principle applies to all high-end purchases. Tip 8. Patience and persistence. Patience and persistence play a significant role when attempting to purchase a Rolex from an authorized dealer. It is important to understand that obtaining your desired timepiece may require some time and effort. Stay patient throughout the process and maintain persistence in your pursuit. It may take multiple attempts or wait for the right opportunity, but with perseverance, you can increase your chances of successfully acquiring your desired Rolex from an authorized dealer. Tip 9. Act quickly. When the opportunity arises to purchase your desired Rolex from an authorized dealer, it is important to be ready to act swiftly. Limited availability and high demand for certain models may necessitate making a prompt decision. Being prepared to seize the opportunity can increase your chances of securing the watch you desire. Being prepared to act swiftly is crucial, as many others are also vying for the same opportunity to purchase a Rolex. Due to high demand and limited availability, you may find yourself needing to decide on the spot. Ensure you have the necessary funds readily available and be ready to commit when the time comes. By being prepared and decisive, you enhance your chances of securing your desired Rolex before it becomes unavailable. By following all the steps provided, it typically takes around 3 to 6 months in 2023 to secure a Rolex allocation. Stay in touch with your dealer and regularly check for updates to demonstrate your ongoing interest in the brand, specifically the Rolex model you desire to add to your collection. What are your thoughts on the shocking tips on how to get your Rolex at retail we shared in this video? Please share your comments and opinions in the comments section below. If you found the video enjoyable, we would appreciate hearing your feedback in the comments and your support by following us and giving us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching Luxury World, and we eagerly anticipate your presence in our upcoming videos.